stem, ma. Leaf. What, ma?
Root.
Root. Very good. This one? Root, stem or leaf?
சொல்லு கரெக்டா தான் சொல்லு. கரெக்டா தான் சொல்லு.
தப்பா இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல சொல்லுங்க, நோ ப்ராப்ளம். உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியுமோ அதை சொல்லுங்க.
ஸ்டெம்மா ரூட்டா லீஃப் அது?
Stem. Very good. Next.
Leaf.
Leaf. Very good. This one?
Flower.
Flower. Well done. Who else is there? Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika.
Root.
Root. Very good, Kavi Kartika.
Stem.
Stem. Super.
Leaf.
Leaf. Well done.
Flower.
Flower. Very good. Okay. Next is Varsha. Varsha is there? Varsha? No. Okay, children. Next, parts of the plant. Okay. Okay, we'll start the session, children. I hope everyone has joined. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up, all of you. Okay, Madhuvanti, come on, say Kidzi anthem.
Kidzi anthem. All with me, over in Painam. I pledge. I put inside.
You are the wings.
You are the wind. Beneath my side, beautify me, my body inside.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge. You're my might. I shall love you. My body inside.
Very good. Good morning, everyone. No rubbing your eyes and all. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Very good morning. Keep chanting. Let's finish our warm-up activity.
Good morning, man.
Yeah, good morning, ma. Come on, run, run, run. Run, all of you. Very good, all of you. Come on, go drink one glass of water and come back. Yes, good morning, Ma. Very good, Dashwan. Hazel. Hazel. Absent, huh? Next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Jason. Next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Matesa.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Radiani. Next. Very good, Rudwin. Next. Very good, Masara. Next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Next. Hmm. Sukri. Very good, Sukri Gaurav. Next. Very good, Disha. Next. Very good, Ma Kavi Kartika. Next.
Agil,
Mahilini.
here I am, sir.
Very good, Mahilini. Next. Yeah, very good, Mitra. Next. Very good, Tarneshwar. Next. Yeah, very good, Varsha. Good morning, Varsha. Next. Very good, Vihan. Next. Very good, Ma Madhvanti. Thank you, children. Okay. First is Mummy Daddy Rhymes. Who is going to sing Mummy Daddy Rhymes? Raise your hand. Let me choose. Varsha is singing. Okay.
Mummy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, love me too, care for me too. Brother, sister, let's go play. Sing and dance, lots of rhymes all through the day. Grandma, grandpa, you're so sweet. I give you hugs and give you kisses in between.
Very good. Next is five senses rhyme. Five senses rhyme. Hmm.
I have fingers that can touch. Fish in a fish with peachy much. I have two ears that can hear. One tongue that can taste smell. These are all my possessions. These are things up to not well.
Very good. Well done, Keshav. Okay, next is vegetable rhymes. Vegetable rhymes, who knows?
Vegetable,
Hmm.
vegetable, and the heat. Summer and garden and suffer the fish.
Ah.
Buy them and cook them and cook them to eat. And cook and say,
Very good. Wonderful. Awesome. That's Good boy, Keshav. Very good. Okay, anyone knows vegetable rhymes? Who else?
Down and chop down and cook down to eat. I put down in salad. They're healthy to eat.
Very good. Well done, Mahini. You are such a sweetheart. Good girl. Okay, anyone knows? Anyone? Sri Ananya, Visha. Who knows vegetable rhymes?
Vegetable rice means
Vegetables, vegetables, fruits and healthy. Something garden.
No, I can hear. Some from the field. பாடிட்டே இருக்கும்போது பிரேக் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. இப்ப பாடுன்னு எப்படி பாடுவாங்க? From the beginning டக்கனா. Come on Madhuvanti. Correct only. நீ பாடுமா. Vegetables. Some from the field. Buy them. Put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Okay, Mitra, you know? Mitra knows the rhyme. Who knows? Jason, Mitra, Visha, Karuneshwar. Who knows? Who will sing?
Mummy daddy the vegetable.
Vegetable rhymes.
இப்ப இன்னொரு பாடு vegetables. Some
from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat, or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Okay, tomorrow everyone should like this. Jason, like this. Keep your hand like this. Here on top. Here. Okay, good, fine. Okay, children, tomorrow everyone should sing. Okay, now I want all of you to stand up for road counting 1 to 50. Come on. Stand up. Jump. Everyone should jump. I don't want anyone to see sitting. Come on. Radhyani, stand up. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, what will I get? 5. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, 10. Very good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. After 22, what will I get? 23, 24, 25, 26. After 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Very good, all of you. Sit down. Okay. Till J, yesterday we learned, right? Yes, alphabet till J. Today we are going to learn a new alphabet, that is small letter K. Okay. You know to write capital letter K. Come on, take your slate, all of you. Write capital letter K first. Take your slate and chalk paste. Take your slate and chalk paste. Write small capital letter K.
Fish man.
capital letter K? See here, capital letter K. And then small letter K. Both look alike only. ஒரே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். Okay, it looks same only. But only difference is this K will be little bit smaller. Okay, come on all of you.
I was thinking. Do you have a okay or is it?
Small letter K, right? Small letter K. And what is the phonic sound for K? Anyone knows?
Ka.
Ka. Very good. What is that? Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Okay. Finish all of you. Show me on slate what you have written. Very good. Well done, Mitra. Very good, Mailini. Ananya, very good. All of you look at the screen. Capital K, small k. You can see here. Capital K is little bit bigger. But the same way only you are going to write small k also. So there is no difference. Okay. See here, capital K, small k. K for kite. This is kite. K for kite. Ananya, look at the screen. K for key. I want all of you to look at the screen. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Next we are going to do kangaroo jump, children. Okay. Kettle. Very good, Makeshav. Kettle. Next is king. Kit. And this knife we no need. We'll leave it off. Okay. See, in all the pictures, you can hear the k sound. Can you hear the k sound in key? Key la k sound kekda? Can you hear? Yes or no? K sound. Can you hear k sound in key? Yes. Kangaroo? Yes. Kettle? Yes. King? Yes. So, this way you have to find out what are the pictures related to it also, children. Okay. So, the today's worksheet is K worksheet and the worksheet number is D34LT. D34LT. K. D34LT.
என்னது
D34LT. This will be your worksheet. Karate. Karate. See, standing line, slanting line, slanting line. Okay. Point with your pointer finger, trace it. See here from 1, next is 2, and next is 3. Children, you have to see here correctly. From 1, you have to come down. 2 from here, not from here. 2 from here. And then 3 from the ending point of 2, you will start. Okay, like this. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line. Come on, start writing. Finish. Very good, Madhashwan. Next page will be your homework, children. Today's homework. Those are finished. Take page number D33 LT. D33 LT. D33 LT. Yes, those are finished. Children, those are finished. Take D33 LT and write today's date. Today's date is 1/1/11. Yesterday was 10. Today is 11. 1/1/11 dash 8 dash 2/1/21. 11 dash 8 dash 2/1/21. Finished all of you? Shall we continue?
One. Please, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Take D33 LT. Write today's date. All of you, first of all, look at the screen, children. I want everyone to look at the screen first. Come on, look at the screen. Look at the screen, everyone. Here you are going to trace the letters and match the pictures to the correct letters, okay? So first letter is I. Small I, okay? And the phonic sound for I is E. Dashwan, look at the screen. First screen பாருங்க எப்படி மேம் பண்றாங்கன்னு பார்த்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க பண்ணலாம். Please wait. Listen how ma'am is teaching you. This is very important, children. E. Okay, so you have to match the pictures that where you can hear the E sound. Igloo or jacket, where can you hear? Igloo, can you hear the E sound? Yeah, igloo. So match igloo. Next in jacket. In this jacket, can you hear the E sound? No. Okay. Jellyfish, can you hear the E sound? Jellyfish, la E sound kekuda? No. So you should not match. Next, ink, the E sound kekuda. Can you hear the E sound in ink?
Yes.
So what you are going to do? Match ink. Okay. Next is J. Trace the letter J slowly. Trace the letter J. Okay. Now J sound. J sound is J. J, J, jacket. And then J, J, jellyfish. Now come on, do the worksheet. Identifying the phonic sound is very important, children. Please pay attention to that.
Ma'am, page number
33 LT.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Please, ma'am.
Very good, Vihan.
Next, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Radhiyani, good ma. First trace it and then you match it, children. First trace I, match the pictures related to I, E sound. Next trace J, match the pictures related to J sound, J, J. Good. Good, ma Madhuvanti. Okay, next is our math worksheet. Those who are finished, please be ready with this worksheet. D33 MT. Right? Yeah, D33 MT. 1111 dash 8 dash 2121. And the day is Wednesday. Month is August. Those who are finished can start doing this worksheet, math worksheet 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. 10, 20, after 20, 21, 22, 23. 2, 3, 23. 2, 3, 23. 2, 3, 23. How many of you are writing still that LT worksheet? Everyone has finished? Sukhdev, finish, ma? Are you doing math worksheet?
Yeah, ma'am. He's doing maths worksheet only.
Okay. What number is that, Sukhdev?
என்ன நம்பர் சொல்லுங்க மேம் கிட்ட
What number is that?
2 ம் சொல்லுங்க கடிக்குதா சரியாடும் சரியாடும் சரி நீங்க மேம்ட்ட நம்பர் மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க
3.
2 3 சொல்லுங்க
2, 3. 2, 3 என்ன நம்பர் மேம்க்கு தெரியாது சொல்லி கொடுங்க சுக்ரீவ் 2, 3
சொல்லுங்க சொல்லிட்டு இருக்குங்க
22 2, 3
சொல்லுங்க சத்தமா கரெக்ட் தான் நீங்க சொல்றது 2 3 வெரி குட்
23 good Sukriv. What number you are writing Taruneshwar? Taruneshwar, what number you are writing?
2 3 2 3
23 2 3 2 3 what 2 3 2 3
23
23 very good. Sri Ananya, what number you are writing?
23
2 3 23
2 3 23
very good ma Madhvanti. What number you are writing ma Visha?
என்ன நம்பர் பாப்பா இது சொல்லு
2 3 23
Very good Visha 2 3 23 good. Please let me know when you finish children. Very good Radhyani. Good Dashwan. Good ma. Vihan, Varsha, finish. is writing? Jason Finisha. Finisha is writing. Taruneshwar writing.
Please, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Keshav. Let me know when you finish, children. Okay, hope everyone is finished. All of you look at the screen. Come on, look at the screen, all of you. Today we are going to learn a new concept, flowers. Okay? So we have learned the types of plants. Everyone mute yourself now, Vihan. Vihan, mute yourself. In parts of plant itself we have learned root, stem, leaf, flower. I want all of you to look at the screen. You can continue writing afterwards also. அப்புறம் கூட எழுதலாம். Screen பாருங்க எல்லாரும். Come on. Look at the screen. Flowers. Okay. You know what is flowers? Flowers na ennadu? What do you say in Tamil? Flowers means what is flowers? Flowers na ennadu? Yeah, very good. Flowers, Balda. Very good. Okay, now today we are going to learn about flowers only. This is aster. Repeat after ma'am, children, but don't unmute yourself. Compulsorily, everyone should repeat after ma'am because the flowers which you are going to see all are new flowers which you don't know. Some of the flowers you don't know, so please repeat after ma'am. Aster. Aster. Next is dahlia. Mitra, unmute yourself. Dahlia.
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 Next is daisy. Daisy. Repeat after ma'am, Mitra. Daisy.
Daisy.
Very good. Daisy.
Daisy.
Very good. Next, Kavi Kartika. Hibiscus.
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 Very good. Next is Ananya. Lily. Lily.
Lily.
Lily.
Lily.
Very good. Lotus. Lotus, you all know, children. Lotus. Okay. Keshav, marigold.
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 Sukriv, orchid.
சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க.
Orchid. Orchid. You can see the letter. It starts with O. Orchid. Come on, repeat orchid. Everyone also should repeat, children. Orchid. Okay. Next is periwinkle. Visha. Periwinkle.
பெரிவிங்கிள் சொல்லு.
Periwinkle.
Periwinkle. Okay, it has only 5 petals, children. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, periwinkle. Okay, next is Sarah, tulip. Sarah, tulip.
Tulip.
Look at the flower and say tulip. What are you doing?
सारा हाँ देख फ्लावर को देखो इससे देखो
Tulip. How the tulip will be? What color is tulip?
व्हाट कलर का सारा
Red.
Tulip is in different colors, children. White, yellow, red. Okay, so all these colors also tulip flower is there. Okay, next, what flower is this? You all know, children. What flower is this? What flower is this? Rose. Very good. Rose. Okay, next. Sunflower. Okay, so these flowers you know. Okay, one more time. Sunflower, rose, tulip, periwinkle, orchid, marigold, lotus, lily. Lily, this flower is white in color. Actually, yellow color lily is also there. In our workbook, lily is yellow in color. Children, don't get confused, okay? Lily. Hibiscus. Chambarati poo, you know, no? Hibiscus. Next is daisy. Dahlia. Dahlia. Aster. So these are the flowers we have learned today. And take your worksheet D32CT. D32CT, children. D32CT. Not that page, Madashwan. Before that page you will have, I think. That is homework sheet. Ah, yeah, correct. D32CT. Two sheets are there. One is homework and one is classwork. Don't take the homework worksheet. Take the classwork worksheet. You will have 5 flowers like this. Ready? All of you finished writing date? Okay. First is circle the word aster. Aster. Circle the word aster. Aster. Can you find out where is aster? A purple color flower. Aster. Where is aster? The second one. Aster. If you don't know, look at the screen and mark it, children. Aster. Next is tulip. 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 Tulip, you all know. Which is tulip? Here. The last one. Tulip. Third one is lily. As I already told you, lily is yellow in color also. So the yellow color flower here is lily. Lily. And the fourth one is daisy. White color flower. Daisy.
Ma'am, I don't have page in. Sorry, ma'am, I don't have.
32 CT. Daisy. And the fifth one, hibiscus. You all know, children. Hibiscus. Here. Chambarati poo. Here. Hibiscus.
Okay.
Finish? Finish, children? Let me know when you finish. We'll move on to the next worksheet. Mahirini, finish?
Going to finish.
D32 CT. Children, one more time I'm telling you. Yes, that is this one, Madhuvanti. First flower is lily. This is lily. And the second one is aster. Aster, point out aster, everyone. Point out with your pointer finger. Aster. This is Aster. Touch Aster. Aster in your worksheet. Third is Daisy. Touch Daisy in your worksheet. Daisy. Touch children, then only you will know the flowers. Daisy. Fourth one is hibiscus. Hibiscus. Fifth one is tulip.
சரி போடு போடு சின்னதா
Tulip. Lily, aster, daisy, hibiscus, tulip. Okay. Shall we move on to the next worksheet? D33.
போடு அடுத்தது எடுக்கலாம்
Next is D33 CT. Here you have three flowers, dear children. One is lily, next one is periwinkle, and this is dahlia. Lily, periwinkle, dahlia. Three flowers you have. You have to color these flowers. Lily, you will be coloring it with yellow color.
yellow color
Okay, take yellow color and color lily.
yellow color அத அங்க எடுத்து போய் வச்சிட்டு உயிரை வாங்குது நம்மள என்ன பண்ண சொல்றேன்
Take yellow color and color lily. Lily, you will color it with yellow. And then periwinkle, you will color it with purple. Periwinkle, color it with purple. Periwinkle has only 5 petals, children. Periwinkle, and dahlia, color it with pink. You have pink, color it with pink. Lily, yellow color. Periwinkle, purple color. And dahlia, pink color. First color lily. First finish the yellow color. Color beautifully, children, inside the boundary. Note down the colors, children. Purple, periwinkle, pink color for dahlia, and yellow color for lily.
I don't like Papa.
Yes, ma?
I don't have Papa.
You don't have what color, Makesha?
Papa.
Purple you don't have?
No.
Okay, some other color, any blue color?
Okay, ma'am.
You don't have, you can use any other color. dark blue or violet.
திருப்பி
What, Mama? Periwinkle purple color. Dahlia pink color.
இதுதான் இப்ப
அதான் periwinkle.
பெரியவிங்கு. இதுக்கு
5 petals இருக்கிறது தான் periwinkle.
இதுக்கு
போயிட்டு வாங்க. Go and come.
மதுவந்தி please.
Very good, ma. Madhuvanti, beautiful. Very good, Madhuvanti. Jason, periwinkle, what color you have given? Periwinkle, which is periwinkle?
Pink color also.
Periwinkle is that 5 petals flower, no? Purple color. Have you given purple?
He didn't have purple, ma'am. Hoso gave magenta like purple.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, ma'am, but I have purple. Don't have here.
Violet color you have?
Yes, ma'am.
I
Violet வச்சிருக்கியான்னு கேக்குறாங்க மேம்ட்ட. மேம் கேக்குறாங்க. Violet வச்சிருக்கியா?
didn't.
Violet இருக்கு சொல்லு.
Violet.
If you have violet instead of purple, you can give violet also, children.
Yep.
Okay?
Wait.
Dharneshwar, finish.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Finished? Good, ma, Dharneshwar. Mitra.
Please, ma'am.
Good, ma, Keshav. Ananya is still coloring. Dashwan and Kavi Kartika finish.
Let me see. No, ma'am.
Color slowly, color.
Okay, that's okay. Sorry, ma'am.
Sukriv, very good, Sukriv. But still inside the boundary, you should try to color, Sukriv Gautam. Okay?
Okay, va?
Okay.
Adha, ma'am, slow.
Bye.
He's coloring it very fastly.
Yeah, that's it. Little bit slower he has to color.
சரி, okay, நீ சூப்பரா பண்ற. Okay.
Buy and give him any drawing book like that. Then only he'll have that control in coloring.
Certainly, ma'am, he'll finish it in a fraction of a second, like 4-5 pages.
Why, ma, Sukriv? Color அழகா அடிச்சாதானே அழகா இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க எல்லாரும். If you color like this, how it will look beautiful.
If I say that. சரி, சொல்லல.
ஐயோ, கம்ப்ளைண்டே பண்ணாதீங்க. Okay, ma, Sukriv, nice only. Very good, Varsha. Beautiful coloring, Varsha. Sukriv, look at your friend's book. Come on. How they have colored. See? Varsha, show me your book. Sukriv, Varsha coloring பாருங்க எப்படி இருக்குன்னு.
வர்ஷா கலர் பண்றாங்கடா. இங்க பாரு.
Look at Mitra's book. Thank you, Varsha. Look at Mitra's book. உங்க friend தான் Sukriv. எல்லாரும் பாருங்க எப்படி கலர் பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னு. So you have to color like this, okay?
மித்ரா பாரு, சூப்பர்
Then
இல்ல?
mommy will buy and give you smiley sticker, star sticker, everything she'll buy and give you, okay?
Okay.
Star. So I don't have star today. Tomorrow, definitely. Star on the note yaadu varanju kudunga. Mitra's mom.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Parents, if they have colored beautifully, kindly give them 2 or 3 stars in their worksheet itself. Yeah, very nice, Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika also little bit slowly you have to color, Kavi Kartika. ஓகே இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோவா கலர் பண்ணா இன்னும் அழகா இருக்கும். ஓகே கவி கார்த்திகா? Yeah, good ma. Dashwan, good. Finished. Very good, children. Wonderful. Bihan, where is your notebook? Where is your worksheet? Good, Bihan. Good. Everyone has finished us. Radyani. Rudvin. Rudvin, na color pannanga. Rudvin, mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Really? நல்லா கலர் பண்ணிருக்காங்களே. வெரி குட் ருத்வின். சூப்பர் ருத்வின். சாரா finish. Very good Mahilini. Sara. Ananya still coloring Ananya. Sara, where is your worksheet?
She's still coloring, ma'am.
Coloring, color slowly. It takes time for Sara, va?
She's telling her hand is paining for her.
Okay, slowly you color, okay? Come on, let me see your crayons. What type of crayons you are having? You can buy and give her color pencils, no?
This is jumbo crayons only, but still she is saying it's
Whether it is hard or not, we'll not know. Try with color pencils, let us see.
okay.
Purple, violet, pura.
Okay, very good children. All of you have done very well. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye children. See you tomorrow.
Bye.